Okay, welcome back to my channel again. Uh, First thing I would like to request to you, or I would like to make a request to you, that please subscribe the channel, share the channel with other students who are of your age, or the parents if you are listening to me. Just a minute, sorry. Let me remove this calendar that's making a lot of noise here. Oh my god, this is too much. Okay, so I'm sorry for the interruption. I would like to make a request that if you like this channel, please share with your other friends so that their children also be smart enough to understand what I'm teaching and what I'm trying to convey to you people in India. Don't be jealous of it, and this is for the betterment of the entire community and the Indian community, wherever you are, whether you are in India or you are in other countries like me in Japan or in anywhere. You need to understand that this is the community which is the future of the world, and we have to make them smart enough. So I'm starting with grade 1 because that is the foundation level, and though this chapter is not prescribed in grade 1 mathematics syllabus, but this is very much in other countries. Now you can understand what I am talking about. It is very much in Hong Kong, it's very much in Singapore, it is very much in Japan, it is very much in China, in Europe and America, everywhere. I don't know why it is not in our continent, our country. That's okay. But since my aim is to provide you the best of what we have at this level, I am providing you. So this chapter is about positions. That means you can see that students have to learn about left and right and mark fourth, fifth from right, or fourth, fifth from left, or something like that. Okay, so the first question says that which book is in the fourth position from the right. So students have to understand what is right and left when they are facing the board or facing the book or facing the laptop. Okay, so there you can understand that this side is the right one. I don't know what you are looking at, because what I see in my laptop, that it is just opposite. But anyway, so right side is F and left side is A. So they have to mark fourth position from the right. So 1 2 3 4, that means C is the correct option, right? Okay, so they have to understand this. Second question says that color the seventh teddy bear from the left. So seventh teddy bear from the left. So left is this side. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and here you can see it's written right. So this is to help a student that this is the right side, you have to go from left, right? So seventh one, these are very easy questions, but all these are, you know what, this is about application. Apply your knowledge, apply your thinking skill, which we badly lack in our syllabus. That's why I am bound to present my presentation in front of you. Okay, check the next one. Cross out the fifth penguin from the right. So you know where is right and left. If your children or if your child understands which is right and which is left, at grade 1 they can understand that which is the fifth one. So 1 2 3 4 4 5, fifth, this is the one which is the left, fifth from the right. That you understand. Circle, color the circle which is third from the right and fifth from the left. This is a little complicated. What it says, fifth, third from the right and fifth from the left. So third from the left, that means I have to start from this part. So 1 2 3. Okay, that is okay. Third from left, right, and let's check whether it is fifth from the left or not. So 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, this is the same. So they will color this one with any color. That's fine. All this is about thinking and reasoning ability. Parents, try to understand. Knowledge is useless if you do not know how to use it. And this does not come in when your children are in grade 7, 8, 9, 10. That's come from the beginning of the first class, first grade, or even the kindergarten. They have to understand the reasoning skills. That's important. That is why I am giving you this kind of worksheets. Check the next question. Ignore the number 31. Circle the third lollipop. Now look at this question seriously. Third from what? Third from the left or third from the right? But there is a hint that this is the sixth one. So you have to understand that if I go from right, this is not the sixth one. That means if I have to go from the left, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That means from the left it is the sixth. And the question says that circle the third lollipop. That means I have to start from the left side. So 1, 2, 3. So this is my lovely lollipop that I have to circle it. All this is, again I am reminding you, this is all about the reading skill. Check the next question. The people are waiting for taxis in Japan and in other countries. People wait. They don't go for अरे मेरे को दे दो, मैं आ गया भाई साहब, मेरे को ले चलो. ऐसा नहीं होता है. डेवलप कंट्रीज में लाइन में लोग लगते हैं. हम लोग भी जो टोक्यो में जब हम लोग को टैक्सी लेनी होती है, देन वी हैव टू स्टैंड अप इन अ लाइन. ओके, ऑलराइट. और वहाँ हम देखते हैं कि द पीपल आर वेटिंग फॉर टैक्सीज. इफ 2 people are in front of Sue leave the queue, she will be in what position of the queue? So understand that, okay, this is the taxi stand, the taxi will come here. So what position she is in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She is in the 7th position. Again here in the position you have to understand the subtraction and addition. So if 2 people leave, so just consider these 2 people go out. That, oh my God, I don't want to stand here. I will take the public transport. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 and she will be 5th. So now she is in the 7th position. If 2 people leave, 7 minus 2 is 5, right? So she will be at 5th position. That you have to understand. Okay, check the next position. Look at the number below. Subtract 1 from the 4th number from the left. Look at this question. This is how the other countries' mathematics becomes complicated, and that makes people smart. You know, we are good at making our children, oh my God, my son gets a job in Google, Facebook, WhatsApp, this and that. Oh my God, his life is successful. No. Why did we not create a Google or Facebook in our countries? Why these are American countries, American companies? It is because we did not learn how to think. This is what I am trying to develop. So back to the question again. Subtract 1 from the 4th number from the left, which is the left side. Left is written here, left and right. So left is 2, 8, 7, 3. So 4th number is 3 and you have to subtract 1 from 3, right? Not 1 from 4. You have to subtract 1 from the 4th number, and 4th number from left is 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So you understand what is going on here. Reasoning skill, thinking skill and your knowledge. You know how to subtract 3 minus 1, right? But from where? From 8 or from 3? So you have to read the diagram properly. You have to understand what the question says, and based on that I have to answer this question. That's important here. Next question. Color the 4th object from the right. So to make the question easier, it's already written which is right and which is left, right? So 4th object you have to color. That's not important. That's not very difficult question. I want to start again. So Tommy is standing in a row with other children. So look at this question. I just make it a little big so that you can see it properly when you are watching in YouTube. Tommy is standing in a row with other children. He is 4th from the left and 7th from the right. So from left side he is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4th. Here is Tommy. And 7th from the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here is Tommy. Right? So now you can count. So just if you make the position in your notebook, you understand that how many children are there in the right, in the row. So you will find that 7 plus 4 is 11 minus 1. So there are 10 children. So always if you get this kind of question, you will find out, okay, 4th from right. 1, 2, 3, 4th. This is Tom. Okay, go from left, right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is Tom. So now let's find out how many children are there. You will find there are 10 children. Okay, so the trick is 7 plus 4, 11 minus 1, because Tom from left side and Tom from right side is the same person. So okay, you can understand when you make it on your notebook. Look at the next question. Sam is standing in a row with his friends. The same question. He is 4th from the right and 2nd from the, I don't need to discuss, you can understand that. Okay, next, cross out the 6th sheep from the right and ring the 5th sheep from the left. So cross out, look at the keyword, cross out the 6th sheep from the right. Okay, so right side, this side, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the sheep which is going to be crossed out. And ring the 5th sheep from the left. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this sheep will be ringed and this sheep will be the crossed out. Okay. All these are about mental application. Try to understand. आपको अगर आ गया कि हाँ हमको मेरे बेटे को सब्ट्रैक्शन और एडिशन आता है, आपका बेटा तेज हो गया, योर चाइल्ड इन इंटेलिजेंट, नो, you have to understand whether he knows how to apply that knowledge in various situations. That is important. I don't know how many of you will like my video or this video or the other videos, but my earnest desire is to make the children smart enough. Because what I learned in other countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Japan, I understand that this is how people study there. If I see the CBSE book, number, I don't know, CBSE books want you to make a calculator or what? Problem solving is the main thing. And that everybody has to understand. Look at the next question. There is a ball, a teddy bear, a robot, a doll, a toy car, a toy train. Left, this is the third position. This is the right. This is right. Look at the symbols or look at the hint. This is left side. This is right side. This is the third position. Now you have to understand that this is the third position from the left side or the right side. So if you see from the left side, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, this is not the third position. So let's go from the right side. 1, 2, 3. Yes, from the right side, this is the third position. Okay, now I understood the figure. Now I have to read the question. Question said the doll is third from the right. Which toy is fifth from the right? Okay, so fifth from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Teddy bear is the fifth from the right. Alright, this is the question. Alright, let's go to the next question. Joe is standing in a queue to buy popcorn. He is third from the left and fourth from the right. So third from the left side. 1, 2, 3. This is the boy. You know, look at the I cannot select it because it's a PDF file. Okay, and fourth from the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So he is the same guy, right? So circle Joe. So you have to circle it like this. Now you can see all my questions are based on figures. If you watch my previous videos or the other video, you will find that all the questions are based on the figures. That give you an idea what I have to do in this situation. It is not an abstract thing that you are thinking something in the thin air. You don't know what is going on. Okay, so check the next question. Kylie has 4 ropes A, B, C, D. Rope A is longer than rope C. Rope B is shorter than rope D, but longer than rope A. You have to do it, my friend. You have to do it. Okay. Now let's check this question. So this question says, oh, where did it go? Wait a minute. Oh my God. I think I made a mistake. I go back. All right. Okay, darling, you can come this way. Let's no. Okay, I will not do it. Okay, color the second rabbit. See, look at this question carefully. It says color the second rabbit. What is happening to the second? Where is the second rabbit? It says fifth. Look at this. Look at my arrow, the pointer. This is fifth. Now you have to understand that fifth from which side, right or left? If I go from left side, this is the third one. No, this is wrong. So you have to go from the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What does the question say? Color the second rabbit. That means you will not color this one because it is the second from the left. No, that's not the idea. The idea is that if this is the fifth rabbit from the right side, which is the second rabbit? So I have to color this one. Again, this is a purely question on logical thinking that you need to develop. All right. 6 people are waiting in the bus. We're waiting for the bus. Now you have understand. Again, people are waiting for the bus. We wait for the bus in everywhere. Everywhere. So Alvin is last in the line. This is the boy who is the Alvin, the last one. It's written over there. Alvin, Betty, Kevin, Dennis, Ivan, and Faiza. Question says, Dash is before Ivan. Ivan is here. So who is before Ivan? So Faiza is even before Ivan. Calvin is after what? Where is Calvin? Calvin is here. Calvin is after Dinesh. Yeah? Betty is between whom and whom? So Betty is between Alvin and Calvin. All this is pictorial pictures. All is thinking skills and logical skills. Look at the picture and find out who is where. That's all. Okay. Now my request is to check these questions are there in your CBSE books in grade 1 or not. Of course, this chapter is not in your book. I understand that, but in many countries these chapters are taught. Other chapters like measurement, money, time, and addition and subtraction, my videos are there. You can see that you will not find these type questions what I am presenting for you in your textbook. So please follow the advice. Okay, check next question. Ada wants to plant a flower in one of the pots below. Okay, let me give it a better way. Yeah. Ada wants to plant a flower in one of the pots below. Draw the flower in the fourth pot from the left. Look at the situation. These are called real life situations. Okay, there are pots. Okay, this is right and left. So she wants to plant the flower in the fourth pot. So which is the fourth pot from the left? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Because this is the left side, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the plant. She is going to draw the flower over there. That's a very beautiful question. Next question. Match the ordinal number in the correct rabbit. Ordinal number is this one. Other one is the cardinal number. 1, 2, 3. The way we write that is called cardinal number. This is called when you write first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, and all those. These are called the ordinal number. Okay, so this is one piece of information for you. Now it says that fifth and ninth. Now you have to match 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth is this one. So you will draw like this. Ninth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. So you will draw like this. Like this. So okay. So fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you will go this way. This is the fifth one, and this is the ninth one, right? Okay, this is how we are going to solve it. That is called that is called ordinal number. So you have to understand what is the difference between ordinal number and cardinal number. So 1 2 3, when you write in digit, that is called ordinal number, cardinal number. And when you write 1 first, second, third, fourth, fifth, that is called ordinal number. Okay, so that is one. Now since I'm running a little out of time, so I am going to show you the other questions. So I will keep my mouth shut and look at the question and do it. Better let me put this picture in the same page so that it should be easy for you. Yeah, look at this. Just ignore the numbers, that's not important here. The questions are important, the diagrams are important here. When I moved from this country, India, to other countries, and then I saw the other countries, how they solve their problems and how they teach their students, I was really amazed. And then I thought that why we are not providing this kind of education, the analytical and thinking skills to our students. So if I happen to work in India, naturally I will do this wherever I go. But since I am not in India now, so I want my countrymen or my small cute children to make sure that they understand the things in a better way. I am giving these type of questions on YouTube. So you need to subscribe and like and share the video, so that this is not about, say, I tell you, this is not about I getting more subscription and I'm getting knowledge, I'm getting money on it. It's not about that. It is about a wider reach. It is about the wider reach. Children should know what I'm trying to convey to them. That's important here. I compiled all these diagrams today, and I could not stop myself, and that is why I thought that okay, I have to upload it today only. That's why I'm doing this. Elephant is third in the position, is first. If it is first, then 1 2 3, this is third in position, so you have to write what is this, 1 or 2 or 3, E, D, C or B, right? One question is given here. So I'm just slowing down the video so that you can read the question and try to understand that what is happening here, and you can do it. Okay, so this, you understand, the 16 pages diagrams I have with me. Okay, and I want you to go through with each and every one if you become a smart student. Okay, and if you want to be ahead of the others. Okay, though I want the entire Indian community should be ahead of the whole world, but I know that not many of you will agree with me. But okay, my job is to teach, and my job is to show the way. You want to walk on that way or not, that is your problem and that is your wish. But of course you can see that what is happening in other parts of the world and what we are not doing. That's important here. Look at this question. Make it small. Look at the question now. From the first line to the last question B. You can understand what is happening here. You can play and pause. If you like my video, or any one of you, if you feel that this is really substantial, I'm talking to the parents, because I know that grade 1 children cannot watch YouTube without the help of the parents. Please share it with your other relatives. Okay, let them be also smart. Don't think that okay, my child knows this one, other children should not. That is not the true spirit of education. So please, ladies and gentlemen, make sure that this video reaches to everybody, so that they all should have an overall understanding of the things. Look at this question is quite big. Okay, so look at the card, I make it small a little so that you can see the all questions. Yeah, so look at the cards and count the stars, and something is written here. So see, so many are there. Okay, so I make it further small. Wait a minute, so that when you watch the video you understand that okay, everything is in the one frame. That's important. So look now, so this is the question here. Okay, look at the cards and count the stars, then answer the question to 6 to 9. Just ignore the number. There are how many stars on the first card, second card, fifth card, and so on. That you can do it. Thank you very much. Then circle the second star from the right. Okay, so this you can do. Then again answer the question based on the picture below. That also can be done. It's quite easy question. So all about the reasoning and the thinking skill. I can make plenty of questions, hundreds of questions. I have not counted how many questions are there in this worksheet, but I think maybe 50 or something. Now understand, do you have 50 questions in your notebook? No. In your textbook? No. No teacher does that. I am providing you. So do it. When my son was in grade 1, now he is in grade 3 in Japanese school. Otherwise he should have been in grade 4 in international school, because in Japan students are taken admission based on their age. So he is basically in 4th in international school and international standard, but he is in 3rd in Japanese school. When he was in grade 1, I started with these kind of questions with him. I don't know where he is, how intelligent he is or something like that, but this is what my experiment was, and I want you to also follow my advice. Okay, so this is the last question for now. Second part will come very soon, because I told you that I have a big pool of resources that can be done, so that I can provide you, provided I get enough reward for my work. Okay, and that reward is subscription and sharing and likes, okay, and the views. If all these things are there, I will be much happy to help my countrymen. Thank you very much.